Hola a todos y a todas. Me llamo Alessandra y soy tu profesora de español. Numbers are everywhere. On street signs, prices, phone numbers, birthdays. You use them every single day. So if you want to really feel comfortable speaking Spanish, mastering numbers is a must. Welcome to Airlearn Spanish, where we skip the boring stuff and help you speak like real people do. This is where you go from, where do I even start, to actually speaking with confidence, one step at a time. Today, we're learning something every Spanish beginner needs: numbers. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to count in Spanish from 0 all the way up into the hundreds and actually use numbers in real life to say your phone number, your age, and even prices when you're shopping. Let's get started. So we'll start small, 0 through to 10. Repeat after me. 0, cero. 1, uno. 2, dos. 3, tres. 4, cuatro. 5, cinco. 6, seis. 7, siete. 8, ocho. 9, nueve. 10, 10. Now, let's say them one more time a little faster. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can also mix up the numbers while saying them. For example, 2, 8, 5. It trains your brain to recognize them individually, not just as a sequence. Here's the thing. Memorizing numbers is easier when you use them in real conversations. That's what the Airlearn app does. Instead of drilling lists, you'll practice numbers naturally, like asking your age, giving your phone number, or shopping for groceries. So you're not just learning words, you're learning how to actually use them. Next up, we'll go from 11 all the way till 19. These have their own forms, so you have to listen closely. 11, once. 12, doce. 13, trece. 14, catorce. 15, quince. 16, dieciséis. 17, diecisiete. 18, dieciocho. 19, diecinueve. Notice the pattern after 15. Dieciséis literally means 10 and 6. Once you see the pattern, it's easier to remember. Fun tip. Spanish teens will often say their age super fast in conversation. So you should practice saying dieciséis, diecisiete, dieciocho quickly. It's a fun way to train your listening skills too. Now let's go with the 20s. 20 is 20. From there, you just have to add 20 plus the number. So 21 is 21. 22 is 22. 23, 23. And all the way up to 29, 29. Spanish combines the words, so it's one smooth word practice saying them together without pausing. Next, let's go with the 10s. 30, 30. 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. To make numbers like 34 or 57, just add y and plus the next number. 34 would be 34. 57, 57. Next is 100, which is 100. When you combine with other numbers, ciento. So 101, 101. 135, 135. Let's go with the hundreds. 200 is 200. 300, 300. 400, 400. 500, 500, which is irregular. 600, 600. 700, 700. 800, 800. 900, 900. And last, 1,000, which is 1000. Now, let's use numbers in everyday Spanish. For example, with the age, you can say, Tengo 27 años. I am 27 years old. When it comes to price, you ask, ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much is it? The answer would be, cuesta 5 euros. It costs 5 euros. Now, let's do a quick recap. First, I'll say it in English, and then you say it in Spanish. 12, 27, 43, 89, 100, 305. Great job today! You've just learned Spanish numbers from 0 all the way up to the hundreds and how to use them in real life. Keep practicing by mixing numbers randomly in your speech. That's one step closer to sounding like a local. Nos vemos next time.